Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I partnered with Hotbraids to bring you guys a mini twist tutorial using their Afro Kinky 100% human braiding hair. So it comes with 5 packs in this bundle, and it also comes with some hair accessories. So there's a rat tail comb, an edge brush, and some sectioning clips. So I am starting on stretched hair. I did blow dry my hair the night before after washing it, and doing this hairstyle on blow dried hair allow you to work a lot faster because the parting is easier, and the hairstyle also comes out a lot more uniformed. So after taking down those bantu knots, I am parting my hair into 4 quadrants. So I just start by doing a middle part using the end of that rat tail comb and going straight back. Now I am doing a horizontal part from the middle of my head down to my earlobe. So you want to either bantu knot or clip the hair out of the way so that it doesn't interfere with your first section that you're going to be working with. For the first section, I am doing a vertical part starting from the middle, going straight to the front towards my hairline. And then I go ahead and do a horizontal part going down towards my earlobe to form a nice 1-inch box. And I am using the Kiss Braiding Gel Extreme Hold to sleek down my hair. So I am applying that braiding gel to the outlines of that section, avoiding my scalp so that I do not experience any irritation. And then I bring that braiding gel all the way down the length of my hair to sleek that entire section. So now I am taking a small amount of the braiding hair. It should match the thickness of the hair that you have parted out. That is the measure I am using to ensure it comes out at the right thickness. So right here, this is how you apply it. You take that braiding hair, put it over that section, make sure that your hair is in the middle, and then you just start by doing a braid. So the braiding hair should have 2 sections, and then your hair should make the 3rd piece for that braid. So once you begin that plait, you want to bring it down for about 1 inch. So you can count to like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once your hair is in the middle, this is when you want to split that hair to start your twist. So right here, my hair is in the middle. So I'm going to split it into 2 and then join it up with that braiding hair extension. And then this is where I start to do a regular twist straight down to the ends. So this hairstyle is fairly easy to do, and it is so pretty. So this is how my first kinky twist came out. It is so beautiful. So I am repeating that same thing. Start by doing a vertical part from the middle going straight towards your hairline, and then you do a horizontal part going up, and you should have a nice square right there that is even on all sides. Clip any sections out of the way, and then you use your braiding gel to apply it to that hair so that it comes out nice and sleek, and it just blends better with the Afro Kinky extensions. Once you are done with that, you want to take your extension and act as if you're going to do a regular plait, with your hair being the 3rd part for that plait. And then you just form your plait, count down to about 4 to 5 times, overlapping that hair. Once you get down to like 4 to 5 times, which is about 1 inch down that length of the hair, then you want to split your natural hair, make sure that your hair is in the middle or positioned between that Afro kinky extension, like right here. My hair is in the middle. Join it up, attach it to the extension, and then you begin to do a regular twist straight down to the ends. So this hair feels so natural, and it doesn't have the typical weave scent. I was really surprised. I was like, oh my goodness, a scent-free hair, like wow. And it just feels so soft. It's very easy to work with, and it looks super natural. I love how effortlessly it blends with my 4C natural hair. It is just so beautiful and easy to work with so far. So right here is a closer look of how I connect the hair. Grab two sections of that braiding hair. Your hair should be the third section or the third part of that braid. Braid, wrap it around until you get like 1 inch down, which is about 4 to 5 braiding motions. And then once you get 1 inch down and your natural hair is in the middle, you are going to split your hair into two and then join it up with that braiding hair. This is going to create a nice natural look. So I hope that you get this technique. It is very easy to do, and it's a lot faster than doing the crochet. You have to braid and then go ahead and do the needle method. I love this method because I can just part my hair and just get the whole hairstyle done at once versus feeling like I'm doing two different hairstyles. So yeah, I am just loving this hairstyle, guys. This is going to be my look for 2025. So prepare to just see me in these mini twist extensions for the rest of the year because it is just so gorgeous. And I didn't know this was missing from my life. Like, what? I can't believe it took me this long to finally give mini twist with extensions a try, and I'm so happy to use Hotbraids for my first experience because their braiding hair is just so amazing, so flawless, and it blends so well with my natural hair texture. So for the back, I am just parting intuitively by lining up that comb in the right position, going straight across, being sure to hold my hand steady. And then I do a vertical part to form the box right here. And this is the section I will be using for my braid. And I am just following the same method, going straight across that line of hair. Apply my braiding gel to sleek that hair from the roots all the way to the ends. And then I take that braiding hair over, making sure that I have 3 parts to form my plait. Put my natural hair in the middle, and then I begin to plait about 4 to 5 times down. So once my natural hair is positioned in the middle in between that braiding extension, I just split it into 2 right here. Make sure that it is even. And then I join it up with that braiding hair and begin to twist straight to the ends. To top off this hairstyle, I will be using the Kiss foam and mousse on top of those twists just to add more shine, while also allowing the flyaways and anything that's sticking up to just lay in place and create more uniform to my twist. So I just apply that foam and mousse on top of those twists, making sure that you get the end so that it can like become more curlier and just look more natural. So I wanted to do a bit of a style, so I'm just taking the top section and just bringing it back into a ponytail while I leave the sides out, just to have like that nice half up, half down, elegant look. You can definitely leave it down, but this is what I am choosing to do. So I'm just using a satin scrunchie to add a bit more style to it, and I just wrap it around once, and it came out so beautiful. So these are not tight at all. I did it myself, so that's what I love. I can control the tightness of the hairstyle, and it just looks so natural, so gorgeous, and it's very lightweight. It feels amazing. The hair lasts long too. So I am like a week in right now as of this recording, and it still looks really amazing without applying any extra product to it. So if you have any flyaways or thinner ends, you can go ahead and snip them off. So I highly recommend Hotbraids for your mini twist extensions this year. You can use it for mini braids as well. And I will leave all of the links to their website down below so you can check out the hair and see what you like, what matches your hair, and the perfect length for you or color. But it is just so gorgeous, y'all. Oh my goodness. Very, very cute. So my hair came out so beautiful, and I just love everything about these hot braids extensions. They feel so natural, so soft. It was very easy for me to twist my hair, and it feels like hair and it looks like hair. I love the concept of using human hair to do my mini twist. It is just so gorgeous. Wow.